What's up, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jules. As promised on Twitter, I told you guys I would be doing some videos with some very high risk, high reward potential. So I want you guys all to please keep in mind this video is going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. There is huge potential to make a lot of money. But with that being said, use proper risk management. Do not go all in on any of these bags because they can go the opposite direction just as easily as they can go to my potential ultimate targets. So please, please, please keep that in mind and don't do anything stupid. Don't throw money at it that you can't afford to lose if these things do go against you. Today, I'm going to be talking about VAI, V-A-I. It's on KuCoin. It's an AI project. I think a lot of the AI projects have very, very, very large potential for this bull run, which I believe we are transitioning into. Obviously, this video is greatly dependent and reliant on the fact that we are transitioning into a bullish market and we are not going to make a lower low on Bitcoin and crypto in general, and that we have started our next cycle. So also keep that in mind. This video could go out the window if we reverse violently and end up being in the bear market again. So let's just hop straight into it. The beginning of this, I'm gonna look at this thing on a high time frame first, and then I'm gonna dive into the weeds. So if you are just here looking for your macro moon boy high predictions, I'll get that out of the way first, and then I'm gonna dive into the weeds a little bit because there are several different micro counts and a lot of different things that are potential on this particular chart. This happens to be my primary right here. Is that we've had this ridiculously large, let's see, this was a 5,499% gain from the bottom, which I believe this is a three-wave structure, A, B, C, and an impulse for a one wave. And then we should get an A, B, C down anywhere from 1 cent to 3.5 cents. In a three-wave structure like so, as an ABC. Once that bottoms, assuming it bottoms somewhere on the upper end of this box is where I've projected my target from, we could see a possible 51,568% gain if it gets down to roughly 3 cents or so, and that is up to $15.38. That would be your wave 3 target. Your wave 5 target would be a ridiculous 240,000% gain, guys. So again, this is super high risk, super high reward if this pans out. This is a very small this is a very small I think it's got a $15 million market cap, something like that. So the potential for this to do that is certainly there. It's not like we're already at a $1, $2, $3 billion market cap. So this is certainly possible from a market cap standpoint to reach these potentials. And again, if this does go against us, it will be a pretty nasty, death spiral if we end up getting rejected hard on Bitcoin and we're still in a bear market. So keep that in mind. Again, I am, I'm doing this chart for somewhat for fun, but also I am buying these bags fairly heavily. So obviously I'm hoping that the bullish scenario pulls out. But we'll just have to see. So let's dive into the lower time frame just a little bit as to what I see as possible. Again, my primary count here is that this is a full one wave, and that we've got this white count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have there's a lot of clutter here because I got a lot of stuff going on in this chart. that we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on our 5th down, which we'll put in our A, which we saw here zoomed out without the clutter. That's our A. And then we should get a 3-wave structure up to a B, probably somewhere around 12 to 14 cents, which that within itself, that B wave is going to be, you know, a potential 100 to 150% move off the low. So that is where I will be buying another, you know, I've already been DCAing into this, but I will be saving a significant portion of my asset that I'm of my trading fund that I'm allocating to this position. I'm saving a significant portion of that down for the bottom of this channel down here around 6 cents or so, in order to play this B wave, trade this B wave for, you know, 100 150%. If obviously we get it. The other possible scenario that I'm tracking, which again is not my primary count, but it is possible, is this yellow 1, 2, and that we only have 3 waves in, and we are actually on our 4 wave here. And this is, you know, some sort of an ugly impulse up. It looks to me like a 3 wave, but you could possibly make a 5 out of it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just, you know, don't think that's the case, simply because, well, your 4 wave overlaps into your 1, and to me it just doesn't look right. But I guess it's possible, and this could be a 1 A B C 2, and then we have a 3, 4, 5 up to, you know, 40 to 50 cents to finish our 5th wave and to put our 1 wave in. That would be a pretty large 1 wave, and I just, you know, I don't think that's where we're at. I think we're going to end up following through with this ABC count and end up down here in this green box. So that's what I'm leaning towards at the moment. Again, guys, this is a very, very, very high risk, high reward, huge potential if it plays out. I think it very easily could play out, but again, do not bet the farm on it. Don't put anything more than you are willing to lose into this chart. See y'all later.